Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to SearchWeather.com. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, so just excuse my voice for now. But let's take a look at national conditions. You can see that the northern area of the United States, especially around Chicago and Illinois area over there in Minneapolis, you can see temperatures are below 0 degrees. So this Arctic air mass is actually moving south into the Rio Grande Valley. We can expect conditions here to continue to deteriorate as the front progresses into our region. As of now, it is in the Corpus Christi area around the noon hour. It should that has prompted freeze warnings there for the overnight conditions tonight in that area. We do have a wind chill advisory here in the Rio Grande Valley because of that cold front. Wind chills will be between 25 degrees to 32 degrees. So if you're outside overnight tonight, you can expect temperatures to feel that cold with the wind conditions. It's going to be pretty breezy once that cold front moves into the valley. Overnight tonight, you can expect temperatures to be in the upper 30s for Edinburgh, McAllen, and Rio Grande City, and the lower 40s for the rest of the Rio Grande Valley, the lower Rio Grande Valley, with cold wind chills. So remember, if you are out and about tonight or overnight tonight, layer up because it's going to be pretty cold for our region. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 40s as highs with drizzly conditions. So it's going to be a really cold, dreary day tomorrow afternoon. So make sure you bundle the kids up before you send them to school or you go off to work. Our almanac and records show that our almanac record high was 91. That was set in 1989. That was a very long time ago. Our record low is 28 degrees at 1976. So that was also a very long time ago, but we are not expected to get anywhere near that record low. Our temperatures will be in the upper 30s overnight, but our wind chills will be around that record low temperature. So make sure that we are staying warm across the Rio Grande Valley. Our sunrise will be at 7:22 a.m. tomorrow morning, and our sunset will be at 5:58 for Thursday evening. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Look at this. Very interesting here. It's something we don't commonly see across the Rio Grande Valley, but look at that. Look at the high temperatures. 43 degrees, 49 degrees, 43 back on Saturday with a 60% chance of rain. It's going to be pretty chilly across the Rio Grande Valley. Yes, an Arctic air mass is present. If you love the sun, say goodbye to it today because it might be gone for a while. Look at that. Cloudy conditions will progress throughout the 7-day forecast period. You can see there with temperatures dropping into the low, for our low temperatures into the low 40s to upper 30s across the entire Rio Grande Valley for about the next 7 days. So it's going to be pretty chilly. You might want to enjoy the warmer weather for today because that cold front will be here later this afternoon. That was a look at your 7-day forecast for SearchWeather.com. I'm Sergio Puente. Have a happy day.